Whilst your main bathroom can often be a focal point of the home, your ensuite is personal, it's just for you. And so in this project, we've created a beautiful hidden sanctuary ensuite to complement the master bedroom. Come and have a look. So as you can see, at the end of that master bedroom is this amazing ensuite. It's large, it's open, it extends the room, and it is such a luxury, one that you'd usually only find in a hotel. It's good to sometimes start with a key piece that you want to create the rest of the bathroom around. And for us, it was this walk-in shower. What a luxury. And to have 2 shower heads, even more of a luxury. So up top, for that real rain shower experience that you get at the best hotels, we use the CAROMA Invigora rain shower. But then to complement it for those times when you don't want to get your hair wet and you want a shower that you can pull down a bit lower, we've got the Dorf Enigma. And certainly to give that real luxury feel, we went for a beautiful feature tile on the wall, just on the one wall, so that when you're in bed looking out, you see this beautiful fish scale-like finish. Vanity is obviously one of the most important parts of the room. And in this ensuite, we've had a custom-made vanity built with beautiful Caesarstone benchtop. But the real jewellery of this is the tap. It's the Epic Splice Tap by Dorf, and we just love how it's actually 2 colours. It's white with a chrome top on it. So here we've gone for a nice, discreet, in-wall cistern toilet suite that is the Urbane Invisi, and with the beautiful dual flush plate up here, where in fact you can choose this flush plate in any colour you want. We went for the silver, but actually in the main bathroom we had a white plate. And of course, what was always going to be a lovely feature of this ensuite was the gorgeous little CAROMA Liano bath that we have pushed up against this half wall that we custom built specifically for this bath. And what we really love about this bath is its size. It's only 1400 long. Most baths are up to 1800 long, and this just fits perfectly in the small space, but is more than big enough for yourself or even you and your partner.